In today's busy world, saving time is essential. Productivity tools help us get more done in less time. This video will introduce some of the best tools that can save you hours every day. First, let's talk about task management apps. These apps help organize your work and personal tasks. One popular app is Trello. It uses boards, lists, and cards to keep tasks visible and easy to manage. You can move cards as tasks progress, making it simple to track your work. Another option is Todoist. It lets you create tasks, set deadlines, and prioritize what matters most. It also syncs across all your devices. Next, consider note-taking apps. Taking quick and organized notes saves time and helps you remember important information. Evernote is a great choice. It allows you to capture text, images, and even voice notes. You can search notes instantly, so finding information is fast. Microsoft OneNote is another popular app. It's free and works well if you use other Microsoft products. For communication, using efficient messaging tools is key. Apps like Slack bring team conversations into one place. You can create channels for different topics and easily share files. This reduces the time spent on emails. If you prefer simple messaging, Microsoft Teams offers chat, video calls, and file sharing all in one app. Another important tool is a password manager. Remembering many passwords can waste time and cause frustration. LastPass and 1Password store your passwords securely. They fill in passwords automatically when you log in, saving you time and keeping your account safe. For automation, IFTTT and Zapier are powerful tools. They connect different apps and automate repetitive tasks. For example, you can automatically save email attachments to cloud storage or post social media updates on schedule. This reduces manual work and saves hours. Finally, don't forget time tracking apps. Apps like Toggle help you see where your time goes. Tracking time helps you focus and avoid distractions. Using these productivity tools daily can make a big difference. They help you stay organized, communicate better, and automate boring tasks. Start using one or two of these tools today and watch how much time you save. Thank you for watching. Stay productive and make every minute count.